Imagine a bustling, high-tech biofactory where thousands of workers coordinate with military precision. That's a beehive. To understand how bees make honey, we have to look at it through the lens of STEM. Biology and chemistry, the assembly line. It starts with forager bees collecting nectar, a sugary liquid. Think of them as tanker trucks transporting raw material. Inside their honey stomach, a specialized crop, they add a crucial enzyme called invertase. This is where the chemistry happens. A process called hydrolysis breaks down complex sucrose molecules into simpler sugars, glucose and fructose. Visualize an animation of a molecular chain snapping in half to become two smaller, distinct shapes. When the forager returns, she passes this mixture to a house bee via trophallaxis, essentially a mouth-to-mouth bucket brigade. This isn't just transfer, it's an assembly line where more enzymes are added, further refining the chemical composition. Physics, the dehydration system. The nectar is still about 70% water, too runny to be honey. To fix this, bees engage in industrial-grade dehydration. They spread the nectar over the honeycomb surface to increase the surface area and then fan their wings furiously, up to 230 beats per second. This creates airflow that accelerates evaporation, driving the water content down to below 18%. The result is a supersaturated solution, a liquid holding more sugar than normally possible, which gives honey its thick, viscous texture and prevents bacteria from growing. Mathematics, the architecture. Now look at where they store it. Why hexagons? This is a masterclass in geometry. Bees need to store the maximum amount of honey using the minimum amount of wax, building material. If they used circles, there would be wasted gaps. If they used squares or triangles, they could tile the plane, a concept called tessellation, but those shapes have a higher perimeter for the same area compared to a hexagon. The regular hexagon is the most efficient shape in nature for minimizing the perimeter to area ratio. Imagine an image overlaying squares versus hexagons, showing how hexagons hold more volume for less wall length. This geometric efficiency saves the colony vital energy, proving bees are nature's ultimate engineers. So, the next time you see a jar of honey, don't just see food. See it as the product of advanced chemical engineering, fluid dynamics, and geometric optimization.